Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to log into your HDB gold loan account. If you are new to HDB's online services, this video will guide you through the process step by step. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to HDB's login page. To do so, search for HDB Gold Loan Login in the search bar and click on this link. Now once you're in the login page, enter your mobile number and click on the continue button and follow the on-screen instructions. And just like that, you'll be able to log into your HDB's gold loan account. For any further assistance with logging in or using HDB's account, you can reach out to their customer service by searching for HDB Gold Loan Login Customer Care and simply click on this link. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on how to access your HDB Gold Loan account. I hope you found this video helpful. So leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content.